What's up, Jay? What are we doing today?
We are replacing my radiator fan because it decided to stop working. You want help?
Yeah.
Cool.
Let's do it.
Thanks, man. Yeah, we had to go through and do a whole bunch of diagnostic tests, and we tapped on the fans while sending it the signal to turn on, and it turned on, which means that they're going bad. So I'm just taking off some of these parts so that I can get to the fan. I'm gonna end up having to drain the radiator at least a little bit so that I can take these hoses on the top off. And I just took off the air scoop, and I gotta take off this part of the intake also in order to get this fan out. It's like completely wedged in there because there's this big massive dual fan. Yeah. I'm just taking off this air box. All right, mass airflow off.
She's a tight squeeze.
Alright.
Voila.
Sweet. Cool. Alright, so that frees up a good amount of space, but I still gotta get these hoses off because they're completely just blocking this in. So I gotta drain the radiator, which is down here, where the drain plug is.
Another term for it's a PETCOCK.
A PETCOCK?
PETCOCK. I don't know why it's called a PETCOCK, but it is.
Alright, well, a PETCOCK. So basically you just want to follow off to the right side of it. It's right back here. You stick a screwdriver into it and you twist. And there's going to be an O-ring in it. I've seen tutorials where people are like, the O-ring has to be replaced. The O-ring has to be replaced. It doesn't have to be replaced. And that's the words coming from the dealership themselves, okay? They don't replace them, and if they charge you for it, they didn't replace it, believe me. They said that they're like the rubbers that we use these days last like forever. Make sure that it's underneath where the drain is. The PETCOCK, which then come on up and twist this off. Make sure that there's not any crazy pressure going on. Bunch.
Yeah.
That I can just replace it with.
Sorry if my hand's shaking. Yeah, that should be perfect.
Come on.
And make sure you wash your hands because that will burn your skin if you let it sit there.
Is that right?
Yeah. Not right away, but if you just don't wash your hands, it will burn.
Thank you. I don't want to be doing this Fight Club type of shit.
Yeah.
No need to overdo anything crazy on this. The worst thing you can do is strip this plug right now. Plugs, alright. This PETCOCK.
Don't play with your PETCOCK too much.
Yeah, I'm gonna go wash my hands. So I'm pretty sure I got enough out. And we have a $20 bet on whether or not this drained enough.
I bet Jay $20, so hopefully there's nothing left in there.
So this one's just a finger clamp. Just take it off, right? And it goes into the excess reservoir. Just put this off to the side. All right. So then this is just a clamp. You're gonna want pliers. Just take that off. Cool. Flex, damn it. It's like a non-flex one. All right. Cool.
Yay, I didn't lose $20.
Yeah, that's good. I'm glad you didn't lose $20. That was gonna frustrate me. Yeah. You don't want a full crimp on this thing. Just try to move it out of the way as best you can though. Cool.
And this guy. Then there's just this clip right here.
Yeah, just undo the strap.
Alright, so that's the piece we took off. Plug there and a plug there, and
So I got this one right here.
so there's no bolts on the bottom.
Yeah, no bolts on the bottom.
Bam.
So,
Cool. So what's the issue?
the issue is, even though I took all this stuff out, it's still wedged in there. So I need to take out the reservoir also.
So we're just gonna make some more room by moving that.
Yeah, it's not difficult to get the reservoir out. So it's just a matter of this one right here. It's just on a little slide. It shimmies on up. All right, so I can hopefully get this radiator fan out now. If you lift that side up as I lift this up. There we go. There we go. Thank you.
Great success.
Great success. These are our busted fans.
They're our biggest fans.
These are my biggest fans. And I got another one, so I'll open that up. All right, so what we got here? Ooh, yeah. So here's this one. Let's do a comparison, right?
Old one and the new one.
I'm probably gonna take that little clip right there. Same size, same connection locations. We should be good to go. Hopefully this one's turned on, right?
Yeah.
Yeah. You pulling it into place?
Yep. That one's in, and the other one's in. We're good.
All right.
The little tabs there need to go in the hole.
Don't need crazy torque on there because it's plastic, so you don't want to strip it. Bam!
Bam.
Bam! Dude, that's one fan in. That's one fan in. Yeah. Well, I gotta top everything off.
Plug the wires back in down the bottom.
Yep, you gotta reattach everything. So this going, huh? That was gonna be nice and easy. So then just attaching these. That one. And this one. You see that?
Yep.
It's a zip tie essentially.
Yeah.
Alright. Not going anywhere. Make sure to top off the antifreeze. And just fill this up there. Between the min and the max. Alright, so we have the antifreeze filled up. It's a little bit higher than halfway between min and max, and there's a good possibility that there's air bubbles in a lot of these hoses. So I'm going to start it up. I'm going to run it at about 3,000 RPMs to get it a little bit warmed up, and then hopefully that sends a signal to the fans letting us know whether they work or not. But also, I'm gonna be working a lot of these air bubbles out of the antifreeze, so I'm just letting it go, and I expect to see this level drop slightly. Oh, well, hold on.
Yeah, don't kill us. Open the door.
Yeah, don't be dumb. At least halfway.
Let me get an exhaust clip. The bubbles. Two more bubbles. Bubbles. Woo! The fan's on. Yay!
Yep.
She works.
That's a good sign.
Yeah.
Huh. I can drive my car now. You.
Cool. All good?
Hey guys, thanks for tuning in to this week's episode of Mill's Garage. If you like these videos, make sure to like and comment below. And we have a bunch more content coming up, so click to subscribe and we'll see you next week.